Firstly, we should appreciate that the sum angles of a triangle are equal to 180 degrees. We should also appreciate that angles on a straight line also give us 180 degrees. This is x. So firstly, we need to establish what is this angle, and maybe let us call it alpha. So in order for us to find alpha, it will be alpha plus 125 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. To establish this equation, we used our second fact that angles on a straight line give us 180, and as you can clearly see, this is a straight line. So solving this equation, alpha will be equal to 180 degrees minus 125 degrees. We know that when a number crosses over an equal sign, it changes its sign. So the change was from a positive to a negative. Then this means that alpha will be equal to 55 degrees. We get it where? Let us check for arithmetic accuracy. 180 subtracting 125. 10 minus 5 will be 5. 8 minus 3 also will be 5. Now, having established that alpha is equal to 55 degrees, we are now going to use our first fact, which is some angles of a triangle give us 180 degrees. That means if we add this 80 degrees plus alpha plus x, we should get a sum of 180 degrees. So let us do it. That will be 80 degrees plus 55 degrees alpha plus the x we do not know should give us 180 degrees. So if we add 80 plus 55, that's 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's 135. So 135 degrees adding x should give us 180 degrees. So in order for us to remain with x on our left hand side, x should be equal to 180 degrees subtracting 135 degrees. And what would that be? 180 subtracting 135. 10 minus 5 is 5, and 8 minus 4 is 4, implying that our x is equal to 45 degrees. So this will be method 1. A recap: we need to know and appreciate that some angles of a triangle are 180, but most importantly that angles on a straight line give us 180 degrees. Now a crossover to our second method, which is M2. Let us reproduce the triangle. So here it's 80 degrees, and here it's 125 degrees. We do not know this x. The fact we should appreciate here is that exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. An exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. So what do we mean here? This 125 degrees, that's our exterior angle. It should be equal to the sum of opposite interior angles, that will be 80 plus x. So the equation we are going to be dealing with says 125 degrees. Our exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior angles, and the sum is 80 degrees plus x. So this 80 degrees has to cross the equal sign, changing its sign from a positive to a negative. This will be equal to x degrees. And now we need to know what 125 minus 80 is. 5 minus 0 is 5, and 12 minus 8, that's 4. So we retain our answer. X degrees is equal to 45 degrees. Thank you.